Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I want to cover what the real estate market is doing in 2021. So I get asked all the time, Daria, what is happening? What is the real estate market doing? Is it going to be better? Is it going to be worse? So I thought I'd just make a quick video about like what is happening, what is changing. So yeah, stay tuned. Coming up now. Hey guys, it's me again. So today I'm going to cover what the real estate market is doing in 2021. And I researched 3 experts that I thought give us good nuggets on what's really going to happen in 2021. And let's start with Lawrance. He is one of the a member of the National Association of Realtors, and he says it's been a wild year for the mortgage industry. Rates are hitting record lows. So basically what he is saying is that if you haven't already refinanced your mortgage or bought a home, past interest rates aren't as important as what they were going to be in the future. So no one can tell exactly what will happen in the near future or predict the mortgage rates, trends, or however, but in general it is likely that the mortgage rate inch up a little bit in the half of 2021. So just a pro tip, because the mortgage rate's gonna go up a little bit, if you haven't refinanced your mortgage yet, I wouldn't even wait any longer. So let's talk about where the mortgage rate's gonna be heading in 2021. So exactly where we may see rates starts to rise and how they will increase depends on a couple of factors. So one of them is how we are able to deal with the pandemic. It's been a crazy year, and its impact on the economy is one of the main factors we have to pay attention to. So other factors like the inflation and the Federal Reserve desire to keep rates low will also affect the mortgage rates. What may seem like a little raise on the mortgage rates will literally have a huge impact on the economy, the real estate market. So let me give you a little example. So for a $300,000 mortgage, okay, and a 30-year term or a 30-year loan, an increase of just 1% from, let's say, 2.7 to 3.7 would increase your monthly payments by $164, okay? Over the life of the same loan, that extra 1% would cost you an additional $59,159 in interest. So just let that sink in. So over the life of the same loan, that 1 extra percent would cost an additional almost $60,000 in interest over the same loan. Isn't that crazy? And you pay $164 more monthly on your mortgage. So let me say that again. If you're looking to buy a home, or if you're looking to refinance your current mortgage, just keep in mind that the interest rate isn't the only thing you have to pay attention to when shopping for a good mortgage lender. You should read each loan estimate really carefully to see exactly what fees you are paying, because the lowest rate isn't always the best. So let me tell you this. As of December 2020, the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate is 2.71%, according to Freddie Mae. Another expert that I researched is Danielle Hale, a chief economist. She says that we expect sales or home sales to grow 7% and prices to rise another 5.7% on top of whatever happened in 2020, already high levels, because it was a seller's market and homes were high. So sales and the price growth will rising and still be strong in demand. and recovering economy and still low interest rates, that's what will happen. So she says it will be still a high buyer demand, and we still will be lagging of supply, like we're not gonna have too many houses coming up. So that's the thing that will keep the prices growing and rising. But she says at a slower pace than 2020, as the buyers contend with the mortgage rate and prices increasing, that's create an affordability challenges. So in 2021 it was like a seller's market, and the mortgage rate was so low, so people were just buying because they were like afraid what will happen, and as long as they still had their jobs, they were like, okay, let me buy a house now then. But since prices gonna go up slightly in 2021, it's gonna be a little slower pace for people to buy, because prices gonna be rising and mortgage rates are gonna be slightly higher. So it's gonna be a challenge for a lot of people to afford some houses in 2021. So in 2021, another thing that will happen is they will build more single family housing. So we expect to grow another 9% of single family constructions. So on the whole, that market will remain a seller friendly market, but buyers will still have relatively low mortgage rates and eventually improving selections of form of sales. So in 2021, if they're going to be building more single family homes, so we're going to have a little more inventory. Yay! So Robert Diaz, a member of the National Association of Home Builders, he says that with a home builder's confidence near record highs, we expect continued gains for single family constructions. So he says buyers' traffic will remain strong given favorable demographics and a shifting of geography of housing demand to lower density markets and historically low interest rates. So like I said, that means people are moving from like bigger cities or like really packed cities to outside of the city. That's where they're starting building homes, like where they have a little more space, and they start tract building and building more communities. I see it more and more now. So like I said earlier, it's gonna rise to 9% more than in 2020. So we expect to have a little more inventory soon, so that's a really good thing. But because of the pandemic and it's still going on, so a residential construction continues to face limiting factors, meaning the ongoing labor shortage that's going on. People are not able to travel like they used to, you know, from different countries, and including higher costs and longer delivery times for materials raises a big concern. That's why the residential homes and single family homes gonna rise a little bit, because it's not that easy to get workers to come here and build. Just a lack of demand, to be honest. Lack of demand, shortage of labor, shortage of material, longer delivery times. I mean, we've seen it over Christmas how long packages and even letters are taking, so that's another factor. So yeah guys, those were my 2021 tips and tricks and, you know, market updates, what is happening in 2021, changes, good things. So yeah, like I said, just to sum it up a little bit, if you haven't refinanced yet, please do it. If you wanting to buy a home, if you're trying to sell a home, that's of course, if you're trying to sell a home, do it now, because the market is strong. It's really a seller's market. You're gonna get top dollar or even above. And if you want to buy a home, you have really low interest rates. They're still historically low. So go for it, to be honest. If you have any other questions for me about what's happening in 2021, then feel free to contact me. I'm here to help. If you're trying to buy, to sell, I'm here to help. If you're looking even for a rental, I'm here to help. So yeah, was my market update in 2021. So if you found value in this video, please hit the like button. It's getting a little bright over here. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. More videos are coming soon. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it just as me making them. And yeah, please share with your friends, people that need to know stuff, and I hope it was helpful and I educated you a little bit. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.